Here's Coach Schmidt on the Mount Westonka golf team. All right, first question is, do you believe climate change is a real thing?
Absolutely. I know it's a real thing. Climate's changing right now. Think about Minnesota. Think about when I was a kid 100 years ago, or 40 years ago. It was just always cold and snowy in the winters. And now, some years we have snow, some years we don't. The climate's up and down. Some years it's too wet, some years it's too dry, and the climate is changing. When you look back at the records, it's for sure changing. The question is why? Is it just a cyclical thing that the Earth goes through, where the climate is just changing because of how the Earth acts over tens of thousands of years, or hundreds of thousands of years, or millions of years? Or is it more due to human intervention and what we're doing to the Earth? That's the question. But yeah, absolutely believe in it.
I do, yes.
Yes.
Second question, do you believe that it is a major threat to our planet?
I believe it is a threat that people maybe don't take seriously enough. I don't know about if it's a major threat, but if we don't do something about it, it can become a major threat.
Yeah, it's a big threat. I'm scared. I don't like it. I'm mad about it. And I wish we could know more about it and do more about it. Sometimes I feel helpless. You're like one person. What do you do? But as a teacher, that's one thing I try to do is educate kids.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you elaborate on why you think it's a threat?
I think it's a threat because it affects us and our ecosystems.
What do you think, in your opinion, can you do to stop it?
We can recycle and use reusable bags and reusable straws and stuff, so we can save our planet.
Yeah, as a teacher, I get to, touch base with a lot of kids on science concepts and things like, think about going to Wolf Ridge. I know Shirley Hills and Hilltop kids go to Wolf Ridge, and that's one thing we're trying to do is educate kids about the Earth and what's good about it and what's not going so good about it and what we can do about it. So personally, yeah, reduce your carbon footprint, obviously. Turn off the lights and turn off the water when you're brushing your teeth, and think about alternative transportation, stuff like that. But it starts with each and every one of us, I think. I think that's the key, is do what you can do as an individual. The little things matter.
I think there's probably lots of things we can do, and a lot of it is with recycling and making sure that we leave a small footprint where we act as minimalists. We don't buy a lot of extra junk that we don't need to, Connor. And we're really good at diligent about recycling everything that we can recycle.
Lambo.